What's up? It's your boy Tony Baloney here, and we got a 2012 128i with code number P0304. And as you know, it's going to be a Misfire on cylinder number 4. This is going to be inline, so we're going to start from number 1 all the way to number 6. And number 4 would be right here, right by the Valvetronic motor, right here. So I went ahead and I pulled the ignition coil out, placed it on number 1, and this one, number 1, number 4, cleared the faults. And it ended up coming with Misfire number 1. So now we know for sure we got a faulty ignition coil. But I always recommend replacing all the ignition coils since we're in here, and all the spark plugs, of course, if they haven't replaced already. And this customer is going to be getting all coils and all spark plugs, and it'll be set to go.